Hi everybody, this is Katerina and welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel. Many of us right now staying home and we actually have a time to talk with each other. I got so many from you requests, and biggest request how I am getting ready for work and how many minutes I spend in for work. Believe me or not, I spend in 10 minutes for work. This is look I create for you. It's gonna take me only 10 minutes. Okay, I have a melasma on my face and I need full coverage foundation. First, I'm gonna use primer from Estee Lauder, and it's universal primer. Will minimize my pores. Okay, primer is already here. Oops. Now I'm gonna put Lancome foundation on my brush. It's foundation been specifically created for me. You can go to Nordstrom, they have a special machine and they can scan your skin and they can create perfect formula, perfect color for you. Go very small. Again, I create this is medium to full coverage foundation. I use a Bobbi Brown foundation brush. Okay, right here I need a little bit more coverage. I'm dabbing. Again, I have melasma and entire my face after my surgery. I have a thyroid cancer. They remove this cancer, and after 1 year I got a big issue with my skin. I got melasma. Okay, foundation it's ready. Now I am applying concealer under my eyes, and it's a Touche Eclat from Yves Saint Laurent, color number 1. Now I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, okay, how many minutes we have? How many more minutes we have? Come on, my phone, I need to see clock. Oh my god. Okay, 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Oh my god, 7 minutes. I have right here. Now I'm gonna use primer for my eyeshadow from Smashbox. Applying also with my finger. Yeah, sometimes I do not have a lot of time to do my makeup. I have only 10 minutes and I need to look good. Okay, I'm gonna use Chanel eyeshadow 79 Spice, starting with dark color. Applying right here. This is where's my darker color. Another eye. Again, this is video. I'm not doing any cuts. I'm still talking to you. It's no filters, it's no Botox, blur effect. Okay, lighter color. Now I'm gonna apply above this darker color and close to my eyebrows. Again, this is Chanel eyeshadow palette 79 Spice. Very basic, peachy, goldy, brown color. Hey, it's here. Wow. Again, only 2 color, right? Now I'm gonna use another brush, clean one, and I'm gonna just little bit blend up this darker color. Okay, eyeshadow, I'm gonna get a little sweaty now. Now I am applying powder on my face, and it's a Lancome loose powder, absolute loose powder. Now I'm gonna apply Trish McAvoy bronze. It's gonna do two colors together. Go up, a little bit go up. Okay, now I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy blush, color natural. Okay, let's smile right here where I put little blush. God, I don't even know how many minutes I have left. Okay, how many minutes left? Ooh, come on, where is this? 4 minutes 35 seconds I have left. Okay, now I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm using Chanel mascara. It's a volume mascara, good separation, never clumps. I can't believe it, I messed up in the corner. It's okay, I will clean up, I will clean up. Okay, I'm almost done here. Now I'm gonna use lip liner from Lancome, it's waterproof, color Ideal. I actually given so many compliments. You'll say, oh God, I love your lipstick. It's just lip liner from Lancome. It's creamy, it's rich, and it stays all day long. Okay, now I'm gonna use little this brush to remove my mess. Come on. How many minutes we have left here? Okay, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Okay, let's put a little bit eyeliner. Again, press, 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 press. Yay. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna refresh my eyelashes with mascara. Oh my God, I'm just messed up. Now, let's clean under my eyes. Okay, a little bit mascara on the bottom. Okay, how many minutes do I have left? Don't forget your favorite perfume. I have perfume Dermarly Delino. I use it like a shower. And I like lots of perfume. Okay, 1 minute 44 seconds. It's a plateau. One more time, I feel like I wanna refresh this. Then I have a Stila sparkle, and I'm gonna put little bit sparkle on my eye, just right here. Look how pretty. All products which one I use, I'm gonna put right here. Now I'm gonna still put lip gloss from MAC. That's nicely sexy. And now this is my look. It's complete. How many minutes I have? Oh, 1 minute. I still have 1 minute. Oh, let's put little bit highlighter. Okay, I have a MAC highlighter here. Wow. 43 seconds. Actually, this highlighter is champagne from MAC. I'm gonna even put right here in the corner, a little bit close to my eyebrows. Yes, again, it's real, it's not fake, and I finish. I don't know if you can see or not, still 12 seconds, hallelujah. Okay, I think I look good, right? 5 seconds, 4. Here we go. Okay. Yay! yes. 10 minutes. This is how you can get ready in 10 minutes for work, right? Remember what I use? I use primer from Estee Lauder. I use Lancome foundation. I use primer from Smashbox. I use Spice eyeshadow from Chanel. Then I use Chanel mascara. I use Clinique eyeliner. Then I use bronze from Trish McAvoy. I use blush from Trish McAvoy. I use this beautiful sparkle from Stila. What else did I use? Oh, I use lip liner for my lips. I use lip gloss from MAC. Look at how many products I use in 10 minutes, and I think I look very natural, very professional, and I personally feel like I need to do it little bit clean under my eyes. Also remember, I just realized I forgot, I don't see no more, but I use concealer under my eyes, and it's Saint Laurent Touche Eclat. Lots of products I use, lots of brushes I use in this video Chanel brushes, I use Trish McAvoy brushes, they're here. Okay, love you all. Please subscribe my video. Please message me below on my comments, please, below my video. Okay, love you all. I hope we're gonna go back soon, everybody, to work. Miss you. Bye. Katerina Beauty Stylish Channel.